I hope now that you can see this. I'm about to hit a log. Okay, so anyway, I wanted to show you what it's like to go with the current. And I had it pointed the wrong way the last video I tried, but anyway, so you can see me, sort of, right?
Hi.
Anyway, so this is my scenery, and you can see this is just barely paddling. And we are flying by. So much beauty here. I just took a dip in the water to cool off, which is wonderful. Around this tree I'm coming upon that's submerged in the water, but I see lots of branches, so I have to be careful because it's obviously along the level that I could hit it. So there it goes. There's a boat coming. You can't see because it's on the other side of where the camera's pointed, but it's probably going to rock me. We'll see how much the wake of the boats that pass, how much they disrupt a little boat like this. It was scary the first few times I kayaked because I didn't know how much my boat could tip without going over, but basically it's almost impossible to make my kayak go over. For those of you who don't kayak, this is a flat water kayak, not a whitewater kayak. Whitewater kayaks roll and are a whole lot tippier than a flat water kayak. So I am not a risk taker. I like to enjoy just the calm and peace of God's beauty without putting myself in any jeopardy of death whenever possible. I just saw a giant carp under the water. I doubt that you were able to see that, but it was probably like a 5 foot, well, I don't know, 5 foot, that might be an exaggeration. It was maybe 3 foot, though, long, big fish. Huge. So the boat's waves are going to hit soon. I always try to go at just the right angle so that the waves don't go over my bow, but also so that they don't tip me too much side to side. Now we have another boat going by, so we're going to get a double whammy of waves. Those are big waves because that boat's going really fast, so hopefully I won't go over. It's always kind of scary as the waves come at me because they look really, really big. And these ones are really big that are about to come. We'll see. Alright, here we go through the first one. You can see those are pretty big rocky waves we got going on here. You can probably see them crashing against the shore. It's kind of fun once you get over the terror that you're not probably going to go flipping. Anyway, that's probably enough long enough video. It took me about half the time to get back to where I started than it took me to get out, since I was going against the current on the way out. But now I'm only about probably less than half a mile back to my dock. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the beauty that I get to enjoy whenever I go out on the river.